Alright guys, look what I got. It's unopened, so I have no idea what's in it. Let's cut her open and see what we got. I posted a video the other day upset about seeing some unboxings, and I get, you know, people say, you know, just don't watch the unboxings, but you know, I wanted a semi idea of what I was gonna get without knowing exactly what I was gonna get, if that makes sense. Like, oh, I know I'm gonna get a highlighter, or I know I'm gonna get this lipstick, or I know I'm gonna get a t-shirt or a pop socket, but I don't know what color it's coming in, type of thing. But then I seen everybody was getting the same thing, so I started to get upset, but we will see. And I opened it upside down, so yeah, okay. I'm nervous. If I'm wrong, I'll already. Look at this. Okay, I got lavender snow. Already, I'm eating my words, Jeffree Star. I am so sorry. Oh, I am so excited. It's beautiful. Look at that packaging. Oh my god. Oh, that is gorgeous. Hold on, I'll put a little bit more on so you guys can see it over there. Oh, I know I already have highlight on, but oh my god. I was just about to put it on in the middle of my forehead, like, I don't even know. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me take off the chapstick just so I have a smooth base on. I already know this one's gonna be Peach Goddess, or Frozen Peach, I'm sorry. But I'm not upset about that because, I mean, it is a wearable color. I think every single person got this color, but that is gorgeous also. Look at that. Oh. It's more glittery than it is shiny. The other one kind of looks like you've just been dripping in sweat. Jeffree's girl. Did I really get one of the different boxes? I am like one of the only people getting different products. Like, my heart is skipping a beat. This is so pretty. Ooh, girl. I like that. I mean, I do kind of look 80s, but yeah, I like that. So, I got Posh Spice. Oh my god. I am so sorry, Jeffree. I am like literally so sorry. Look at this. Eating my words. I'm literally eating my words. Thank you so much. Like, look at that. I look like a hoe. I look like I just been sucking some. Look at that. I love that. Like, gorgeous. Diamond. That is one of his dogs, I'm pretty sure. So I like that I'm getting different packaging, and I love this color actually. I'm going to put it on in a second. I just want to see how long it takes the lipstick to dry down, so we're going to give it a minute. But that is beautiful. Dream House. This one's also going to be very, very pink, probably close. Ooh, and it's shimmery. It's a metallic. We're gonna put it next to, what is this? Jeffree's Girl, just to get a comparison. Put it like right there. So that is Dream House, and that's dried down. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry, Jeffree. So far, every single one of my products, besides this one, was a complete surprise to me, and I am very excited. I thank you so much. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Barbie girl, unicorn blood. Ugh, I would have been happy with any of the colors, like literally any of the colors. I'm just so excited that I got stuff I didn't see other people get. Like, that is the most exciting part for me, is like literally getting a mystery. And I feel like I definitely am surprised. I love all the colors. Look at that. That is gorgeous. My skin tone is like, I'm tan, but I have a fairly neutral skin tone, so I actually can wear a lot of different colors, and they look pretty normal on me. There's unicorn blood, and it's super soft. Yeah. Okay, that one's dry, so we'll try on diamond. My husband always tells me I worry too much too. Like, he always tells me, you know, you need to calm down. There's nothing you can do about it. You just need to chill out and see what happens. I got a pop socket. I'm not actually gonna put it on my phone right now. I've never had a pop socket, and I'm excited to have one, but my phone case is a fairly old, like really old life-proof case, and some of the rubber's coming off on it, so I don't want to put my pop socket on it until I get a new case. But I am pretty excited because I've always wanted one. I've just been like, that's not really something I want to spend my money on. I'd rather have other things. So, and then of course this. Now, I don't hate the shirt. I just would rather have the black one, the same exact, like the non-limited edition one, just because pink isn't my favorite color. But I absolutely love maroon, so I mean, I guess with it being limited, that's kind of cool. It's just, you know, hold on, I'll put it on for you guys. I just had my son in July, and I know that's a lot of time, and most people have probably lost weight by now, but I'm a lazy piece of crap, so I've got my arms all the way up because I'm redoing my hair, but you can see how long it is and how it fits on me. I'm about 180 pounds, so. Alright guys, that is my Jeffree Star box. Yeah, so, I already knew I was gonna get this. This is the frozen peach. Everyone got that, but it's okay. I got lavender snow, which is absolutely gorgeous. I think I could wear this like every single day of my life. I don't even care. I got diamond, dream house, which is very beautiful and metallic, posh spice. I was very excited about this one too. And I got Jeffree's girl. I don't know where I put, oh, here it is. And unicorn blood. So, Jeffree, I am so sorry that I ever doubted you. You are the king or queen, whichever one you want to be today. I am so sorry. I am so happy with my box. Thank you so much. These are just beautiful. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.